Hey guys, welcome to the channel again. Today I have a product here to review. This product was sent to me by this company called DOVOH. They reached out to me and asked me if I'm interested in trying this out on my projects and then giving my opinion on what I think about it. So we're going to unbox this together and learn a lot about it. But also there's a lot of information on the box here about the product and on both sides. And in my opinion, I feel like you can learn a lot about a product by just reading all this stuff on the box, even before opening it. So we're going to do the unboxing, but before we do that, we're gonna go through all this stuff and read what's on the box, and then we can do the unboxing. All right, so let's go through what's in the box, the information in the box. The name of the company is called DOVOH. This is the 4-plane laser level, and then it's a professional grade laser level. There's an awesome picture of it. They did a great job taking that picture. And then there's all this information about the green lines and the accuracy of the laser itself, like how accurate it is. It says at 33 feet. And then this 90 MW, I don't know what that means. And then you get a 2-year warranty on your product on this laser, plus 5 years warranty on accuracy. That seems pretty cool. A lot of them have like 1-year warranty, but you don't get this accuracy warranty on it. So if anything happens in 2 years, you can return it. Or if the laser is not accurate after 5 years or before 5 years, you can also return it there, and they might give you another one if you return it. And then on this side, we have a lot of specifications of what the laser can do and what's in the box also. So the model number is right there, and this is a class 2 laser level. And then the laser type is a 550 nm. I don't know what that means. And then the laser beam is green. You can see all the green. Some of them are red. Working range, 98 feet. And then on this side, we have the leveling accuracy, those numbers right there. And then the battery is 7.4 volts. And this is a 2600 milliamps lithium ion battery. It comes with a power adapter, which is 5 volts, and then a charger to charge the batteries. And then it's got like the 1/2-inch thread. Basically, you can thread this. You can put this on top of a tripod, like a normal camera tripod, and it should be able to work. So those are some of the specifications for this product. Like I said, you can learn a lot about a product just by reading this small information on the box before even open the box. And then on the side here, they have some stuff too. But this is not going to really help you that much. This is just like the name of the company, their website, www.dovoh.com, and then the support, and then a bunch of other stuff. All right. So now we're going to unbox this, and then we can see what's in the box together. Okay. All right. So let's unbox this. So normal box opening and stuff. It comes in like a briefcase looking type of thing. Looks like a heavy duty plastic that protects the product in there. And then it's got that name right there that says DOVOH on there. And then it's got an instruction here how to open this. There's a push and pull on both of these clips. And when you look down here, there's like a little lever, like another plastic thing here. So I think that's where you pull. If you try to just pull this, it doesn't open. So you have to like pull that like that, and then you pull that, and then the box opens. And then when you open it, it looks like that. Let me put this box here so it holds this. It's got a very soft foam right here, and then everything is in here with this molded heavy-duty foam here to protect it. So the product is right here. I'm going to take it out so you can see it. It's P4360G. It's got 4 lasers. On this one, it's got 4 lasers. There's one right here. So I can count them and you can see there are 4. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. I have not seen one that looks like this. Most of them just have one that can do horizontal and then the vertical. But this one can do dual. It looks very solid. And another thing that I found out about this laser is like it's got like rubber protection, or a dual rubber protection for impact. If you drop this, like let's say you're trying to finish a basement, you're on a concrete floor and you just drop it on the floor, it's not gonna break because It's got dual rubber protection around this to protect it. And you can feel it when you touch it. You can feel like it's got rubbery stuff on it so it doesn't break, which is a good thing. And then on the bottom here, it's got where the battery goes, right here. It looks pretty good. I like that. And then up here, it shows you if the battery is running out. It will show you if the battery is running out right here. There's vertical right here, and then horizontal right here, and then on and off button right here. That looks super cool. And it's got some weight. It doesn't feel cheap. Some stuff, sometimes you buy them and they feel really cheap. This one feels solid, like well-made product. And it's got the name here for the company, DOVOH. This is not plastic. If you can feel it's like more rubber. There's some plastic, but a lot of rubber. A lot of rubber to protect it in case it falls. And it's not like cheap plastic. If there's some plastic, but it's like heavy-duty plastic. You can tell it's a heavy-duty plastic. So that the laser goes right there. You got a charger right here. It comes with it. And then the battery. Maybe I should take the plastic off the battery now, so since we have the product. Man, the plastic is like a heavy-duty plastic to cover these batteries. Let me get a knife. There I go. This plastic isn't breaking. There you go. And then the battery goes right here. It just goes like very easy. And it says lithium-ion battery pack. You can see it right there. And then they come with a USB-C cable to charge. It's right here. I wish they had both sides, but it doesn't really matter. It's USB-C and then USB on one side. There's two batteries. There's one right here. I'm gonna open this as well. So take the plastic off. So two lithium-ion batteries. The thing is packed really well. Here's the charger, and then there's this clip that you can clip this on like hook it up on something like that, like a piece of wood, and it will hang like that. So you can hang it up clip it on something. Like if let's say this is a piece of wood, you can clip it on a piece of wood like that, and then it will hang up. Oh, it's got a place you can screw. You can put let's say there's a piece of wood, you can put a piece of wood here and put a screw right here and hang it like that. Put a screw on a piece of wood right here and then hang it so it doesn't fall. And you can still use your laser. And then over here, on this thing here also works. This thing can go up and down. So you can move your laser up and down. And then there's your 1/4 inch right here to hold the laser. So if you wanted to move it down, you can move it down. So this is nice because this helps you move the laser up and down if you needed to. And then they also give you this one also that you can put on a flat surface like that. And then you can unscrew and lift it up and down, like that. All right. And then that goes back here. And let me put it the right way so it can go back in. It also comes with a remote. I like this idea because sometimes you'll be like on the other corner of the building or the other corner of the house. You don't have to run to your laser to start pushing these buttons, like try to figure out if you want it to be horizontal or vertical. You don't have to go back to your laser to do it. You can just have this remote with you, and it's got this carabiner right here that clips on you can clip on your pant or whatever, and you can push vertical or horizontal without going to your laser. That's a cool concept. And then they give you this target, and this is nice because when it's dark or like when it's brighter, you can see on this green. If you clip it, it's got like a clip right here. You can stand it somewhere like that, and you can use it as a target for your laser on a wall or something. And you can use that. So that's a good idea. And that goes in here. And then there's a manual right here. It looks big. It gives you like a small laser line brightening guidance. So how you can brighten up and all that kind of stuff. It's like a small little card. And then the manual is like this. It's big. It's got all kinds of languages in here. There's all kinds of stuff in here. So anybody can use this anywhere in the world. All right, so that goes back into that little cubby, like cutout they have there. And then they give you like a laser glasses, a green laser glasses. Yeah, that's cool. Lasers are dangerous for your eyes, so it's important when you use a laser to always wear safety glasses. So these are the green safety glasses for your laser. And then it comes with like this like adapter here, adapter for your tripod. And I think that's all. That's all that's in the box right now. So I'm excited to try out this thing and to try out this product and use it for my project. I'm waiting for my drywall to dry before I can install tile. But I'm going to use this laser to install my tiles. If you've never used laser installing tiles, it really works. So this is an awesome product. So if you're interested in this, I'm gonna leave links down below, and use that link to get this product on Amazon, or use the link to buy it directly from them. And if you have any questions about this product, please leave me a comment below, and I'll be happy to answer any questions you have. But this looks really cool. It looks smooth. This thing looks really cool. That's it. I like this product, and I can't wait to use it. And thank you, DOVOH, for sending me a free product to use and to share with my audience. Appreciate you guys.